So we have a quick trip here to the Canary Islands. Pretty cool, eh? Just the moisture anomalies. We get a really quick pass at this panoramic camera. But it's pretty cool. Look at that. Definitely cool. Alright, that's it. Whoa. The last place was Capri. And this is somewhere in Italy. It's really cool though. Connection's bad, we can't stay. Okay, this is Milan. And the connection's super bad. So we only have a second. I just wanted to share it with you. Italy again. Can't explain it. It just looks like this. Alright, quick trip. Well, we got the two suns side by side. Yes, we did. And a spider or an ant on the screen, on the lens. Don't pay attention to that. But please pay attention to the two suns. Check that out. That's the best one I've seen yet. On a diagonal. Sweet. Alright. Don't have to worry about the connection now. Can you believe that? I got rid of the bug. He may not come back over. Unbelievable. This is Zambia. And it is definitely freaking out. Tell me that's not a cool one. Now, well, it's got movement. That's for sure. Alright, we're finished here. Look at the layers. And this is picking this up. That's just absolutely amazing. Isn't it amazing? I mean, Sometimes it's square. I've seen it there before. I've never seen it green though.